Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see 1% pass. So now are you in this 1%? So please watch this complete video. First you can solve yourself and then watch this complete video. Either you are solving solve the right answer or wrong answer. So now we start the solution of this question. First of all, we simplify the bracket. Now we simplifying the value inside the bracket. So 5 minus 2 is 3, round bracket open, power 2 divided by 3 multiplied 2. Now we simplify the exponent. 3 power 2, it means 3 power 2, it means 3 multiply 3, and 3 power 2 it also means 3 multiply 3. So now here is 3 multiply 3 is 9. So write here 9 divided by 3 multiply with 2. Now 9 divide. So now here is multiplication and division. So first we simplify the division. 9 divide 3 is 3 multiply with 2. So here is final answer of this question is 6. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.